Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to do the evaluation, that is a book back exercises of class 7 term 1 unit 2 in civic social science, the political parties. Before going into the evaluation, let us have a key points of the lesson. Modern age is an age of mass society, and a large population and party system is a modern phenomenon. A group of people with broad common interest who organize to win elections, control the government and thereby influence government policies. That is a political party. There are three major types of party system: single party system, bi-party system and multi-party system. In India, we follow the multi-party system. Individual citizens who are not members of a party may also be elected. They are known as independents. The Election Commission is responsible for free and fair elections in India. Moving on to Roman number 1. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. What is meant by bi-party system? What is meant by bi-party system? Options are A. Two parties run the government. Option B. Two members run a party. Option C. Two major political parties contest election. Option D. None of these. And the answer is two parties run the government. Question number 2. Which system of governance does India have? Which system of government does India have? Options are A. Single party system, bi-party system, multi-party system, none of these. And the answer is multi-party system. India follows multi-party system. Question number 3. Recognition of a political party is accorded by. Recognition of a political party is accorded by. Option A. The Election Commission. Option B. The President. Option C. The Supreme Court. Option D. A committee. And the answer is the Election Commission. Recognition of a political party is accorded by the Election Commission. Question number 4. Political parties are generally formed on the basis of. Political parties are generally formed on the basis of. Option A. Religious principle. Option B. Common interest. Option C. Economic principles. Option D. Caste. And the answer is common interest. Political parties are generally formed on the basis of common interest. Moving to question number 5. Single party system is found in dash. Single party system is found in dash. Options are A. India, B. USA, C. France and D. China. Answer is China. China follows a single party system. Single party system is found in China. Moving to Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First question. Dash form the backbone of democracy. Dash forms the backbone of democracy. The answer is political parties. Political parties form the backbone of democracy. P-O-L-I-T-I-C-A-L. Political parties. P-A-R-T-I-E-S. Political parties. Question number 2. Every party in our country has to register with dash. Every party in our country has to register with dash. Answer is Election Commission. Election Commission. E-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Election. C-O-M-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Election Commission. Every party in our country has to register with the Election Commission. Moving to question number 3. Political parties serve as intermediaries between the dash and dash. Political parties serve as intermediaries between the dash and dash. Answer is citizen and the policy makers. Citizen and the policy makers. Citizen, C-I-T-I-Z-E-N. Citizen. Policy, P-O-L-I-C-Y. Policy, M-A-K-E-R-S. Policy makers. Question number 4. A registered but dash political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. A registered but dash political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. Answer is unrecognized. UNRECOGNISED. Unrecognized. A registered but unrecognized political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. Question number 5. The leader of the opposition party enjoys a rank of dash. The leader of the opposition party enjoys the rank of a cabinet minister. CABINET. Cabinet. MINISTER. Minister. Cabinet minister. Moving to question number 3. Match the following. Question number 1. Democracy. Criticize the government policies. Election Commission forms the government. Majority party, rule of the people. Opposition party, free and fair election. And the answers are question number 1, democracy, rule of the people. Question number 2, election commission, free and fair election. Question number 3, majority party forms the government. Question number 4, opposition party criticizes the government policies. Roman number 4. Consider the following statements. Tick the appropriate answer. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. B. The Election Commission treats all parties equally. C. The Election Commission allows a separate symbol for recognized parties. Option D. All the above. The answer is all the above. Question number 2. Assertion. Major party plays a decisive role in making laws for the country. Reason. The number of candidates elected is more than the others in the election. Majority party plays a decisive role in making laws of the country. The number of candidates elected is more than the others in the election. Option A. R is correct explanation of A. B. R is not the correct explanation of A. C. R is wrong. A is correct. Option D. A and R is wrong. Answer is R is the correct explanation of A. Option A. Let us see Roman number 5. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. Which are the basic component of a political party? Which are the basic components of a political party? The answer is any political party has 3 basic components. The leader, active members, followers. The leader, active members, followers. Question number 2. Name the 3 major types of party system. Name the 3 major types of party system. Answer is single party, bi-party system and multi-party system. Single party system, bi-party system, multi-party system. Question number 3. Name the countries which follow bi-party system. Name the countries which follow bi-party system. One is ruling party and the other become the opposition. For example, UK, the Labour Party and the Conservative Party. USA, the Republic Party and the Democratic Party. Question number 4. Write a note on coalition government. Write a note on coalition government. Answer is, in a multi-party system, a single party sometimes may not secure the majority required to form the government. In such a case, some parties join together to form the government. Such government is called a coalition government. Moving to Roman number 6, answer the following. First question, write any 4 functions of political party. Write any 4 functions of political party. You can write any 4 from this. Functions of political parties. Provide loyal opposition, accountability, stability. Nominate. Select and nominate individuals to elected office. Organize. Organize political campaign, rallies, announcement of manifesto to win public office. Inspire. Put forward different policies and programs for the welfare of the people. Coordinate. Connect the society and the state, coordinating among the members elected to office. Govern, form and run the government and develop public policy. Question number 2. When is a political party recognized as a national party? When is a political party recognized as a national party? The answer is a party that secures at least 6% of the valid votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states. They must win 4 seats in Lok Sabha from any state or states. It has to win 2% seats in Lok Sabha from at least 3 different states in at least the latest general election. It has an exclusive symbol throughout the country. It resolves state, national and international issues. Roman number 7. HOTS. Is political party necessary for a democratic country? Is political party necessary for a democratic country? Yes. A vibrant democracy needs a strong political party system. Without political parties, democracy cannot exist. The government may be formed, but its utility will remain uncertain. Elected representatives will be accountable to their constituency for what they do in their locality, but no one will be responsible for how the country will run. The role of the opposition party in a democracy necessitates the existence of political parties. Question number 2. Give any 3 names of national party, regional party and registered but unrecognized party. National party: Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bahujan Samaj Party. Regional party: Samajwadi Party, Biju Janata Dal Party, Shiva Sena. Registered but unrecognized parties: Kongunadu Makkal Kakshi, Manidaneya Makkal Katchi, Makkal Needhi Mayyam. That's all for today's session, my dear children. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay healthy.